양자택일.
If you make one, you must choose only one. Our way of life up to now, what has been taken for granted, habitual choices in everyday life.
양자택이.
And we provide the products with absolute quality and absolute price. Absolute quality, price. From domestic company to domestic distribution hub, domestic business and global entry. Atomy supports members' success and follow consumer-centered management, contractor to consumer inspection. Also, we're suggesting a successful business model and respond to social responsibilities, business success, and genuine sharing. Most people who have seen this will say, don't you just need one hit to make it? How do you catch two birds with one stone? Raise the quality while lower the price? That's impossible. But we know that is possible with Atomy, and Atomy has achieved the impossible up to now, making them possible by practicing choose one and have two. And we have and still have countless innovations. People ask, why is Atomy different? Do you really have to do this way? Atomy's answer is simple, because we believe that it is right. The Bible talks about different characteristics of Creator. In other words, He is both righteousness and loving. God's faith makes it possible for contradictory things to coexist, the ability to reconcile things that can be connected. It applies right now through passion, persistent, and being sincere. Goals that seemed impossible can be achieved. In all process, the most important thing is in choice. Consideration for everything that you haven't given up. In 2021, to all members of the Atomy family, we hope that it can be a year of genius of the both. President Park Hang-gil will come up on the stage. Please give him a big round of applause. Yes, he's here. Atomy's brand, Atomy's core. Mongsang Park Hang-gil is here. It's always good to see you. Thank you again. Happy New Year. Great to see you. I see many leaders today. And I see some of the people for the first time. And the blessing. And have the is okay with Jesus, that I want to say. It means blessing, and you have to listen to the voice of the Creator, and you have to listen to what Creator has to say. In order for you to do that, you have to read the Bible and study the Bible. Once again, it's okay with Jesus. Thank you. Good to see you, and we are doing business, and we cherish the spirit, and we deliver Creator's message and the genius of both ends. And through Atomy, you will become very successful, and you will have freedom of time and the materials And I truly want you to have the freedom of space and time and other things. And one thing that I do want to add is that and for 100 years, you will be here. You will be here as a human being. And after this life is over, we want to have the eternity. And we have the revival meeting. Actually, it is tomorrow. When you search Dreamy Foundation, then you can find the revival meeting and you can see different videos and different types of content. And please participate tomorrow. It starts 1 o'clock on Saturday. We have many pastors, professors, and experts as well. And I'm going to be there as well. And Atomy. And fundamentally, we conduct marketing activities, and the secret to success in marketing, there are some things I want to share: absolute quality and price. Everyone knows that. And that is a genius of the end. Most companies choose one or the other. For example, the price is high, then the quality, it has to be high. And the price is low, then quality has to be low. But Atomy is all about absolute quality and price. That is the genius of the end. And one of the secrets to success of Atomy, and when people choose Atomy products, and the principle, we have the marketing activities, that's the management's principle, and the notion and concept that we have is for consumers, and consumers' benefits and profits as well. And I want to talk about the compensation plan. And we do have the global one server, and it has unlimited step system. It's called Global One Marketing Infinite Levels. If you compare Atomy with other network marketing companies, that they have the limitations on levels, and the point value is different, and they do not have global one marketing. And we do have the ceiling policy as well, and that is very important. Let's say if you don't have infinite levels, then you wouldn't make the same amount of money that you make right now. And infinite levels are very important. And in the beginning of Atomy, a lot of people told me that it is not possible. For example, if you have a left leg and the right leg, then you have to calculate the point value and you have to put the infinite levels as well. And some companies have the 9 levels. Some other companies have 12 levels as well. And the rest do not get the compensation. That's what's going on in most companies and marketing companies. That's what most companies' compensation plan works. If you have a special ability, and if you put him or her under your right leg and the left leg, then everything is going to be okay. If you don't have the special ability, for example, you're just an ordinary one, then what will happen is that, and it doesn't matter about your compensation, and that is going to be your sales. And those type of things that we want, we came up with a solution. We came up with the global one marketing infinite levels. So the level will keep going, keep going, keep going. It doesn't matter 100 steps or 1,000 steps or even the levels. For example, you have a group in Korea, and the group that you have go to America, and China, from China go to Malaysia and go to Mexico, and in Mexico, and you have many partners. Then you have the global one marketing infinite levels. Then you have chances and opportunities. And 10 years ago, I established Atomy. Before Atomy business, I found a company, as you know, and I was the highest leader. I was in that position before I did Atomy. But they had the limitation on levels, and I couldn't get the compensation about that system, and I wanted to come up with a better solution, and I researched, I look at different theses, so I decided to come up with my own business model, which is Atomy. And we are rewriting the history of network marketing company. And you cannot find any other compensation plan that Atomy provides to compare to other companies in network marketing company. And there is no entrance fee. What entrance fee means that when consumer or potential consumer, they want to become the contractor in Atomy system, then most network marketing companies pay entrance fee upfront. For example, $1,000 to $3,000 they pay upfront. This is true. That is what has been going on in this industry, in this field. And because of entrance fee, some people couldn't pay the entrance fee, or some people had a lot of pressure because every single month you had to make and hit a certain amount of sales. And entrance fee is not fair, I found. So I eliminated, I got rid of this entrance fee. In the beginning of Atomy, a lot of experts came to me and they told me that we need entrance fee. We need entrance fee. And without entrance fee, we cannot have high sales. And please put and have the entrance fee into Atomy's policy. However, I wanted to do it without entrance fee. And that is the final policy, that is the final compensation plan. However, when a consumer uses absolute quality and price product, then the products itself will make the repurchasing pattern among consumers. The products will speak for itself. And most companies cannot follow and cannot benchmark Atomy because they cannot have the absolute quality and price products. And there is no entrance fee. And the price is not going to be absolute. If they do, most companies will have a hard time competing with us. However, Atomy doesn't have an entrance fee. And it doesn't matter if we don't make enough money. It doesn't matter. And absolute quality and price products, and that worked, and that has been working, and that will work. And a lot of companies are taking the easy routes. Atomy has been walking a very difficult road based on the principle and notion and concept. And even tomorrow, next year, 3 or 5 years later. Thank you. And from now on, because of COVID-19, and this is a pandemic situation, and we have to do everything remotely. We have to meet people, even potential consumers, the potential contractors through online. You don't need capital. You don't need an offline store. Everything is possible through online. And Atsumi has a great online platform, and that's why our sales speaks itself. And Atsumi, I'm not here to say that we didn't have any problems. And offline success academy system, as most of you know, and we had a great system. About 1,500 people. We had 12 hotels, and we're broadcasting live and simultaneously. We had about 20,000 people every single month. And we did that, and I set everything up. And we're familiar with the system. At the same time, we had to change to online as we're here. However, online world and digital world was going to come, and it came to us early because of COVID-19. And I was getting ready, and I know a lot of people were getting ready as well. From now on, Atsumi will have this platform called Personal Platform Business. And this personal platform business, and a lot of companies are investing millions of dollars to have a platform. I'm not talking about that. Each person, each individual will have this personal platform. And Atsumi is going to lead and this is going to be very innovative. And a lot of futuristic scholars will talk about this. If you don't have a platform, you will be one of the poor. And people who have the platform and people who don't have the platform, who do you want to be? You have to choose. Would you be poor and not having the platform? Or would you be rich and successful having the platform? If you don't have the platform, then you will going to face a lot of difficulties. And the world is changing rapidly, and every single day, and every single week, and every single month. And one of the problems that capitalism has is that the gap between the rich and poor is becoming bigger and bigger, and all the goods and services go to the platform. Think about all the biggest platforms that you use every single day. Not many people use small companies and services that people don't know. And think about all the biggest brands in the world. And a lot of scholars and professors and experts talk about that and have on their research paper and thesis. And they don't have the solution, but Atsumi has the solution. It's called Atsumi Personal Platform, APP. APP, it means that Atsumi Personal Platform Business, and based on personal platform, and we provide an e-commerce function and has a system and has the solution for members. And APP patent, we also patent as well. So this system is The name of that is personal platform.
폐쇄형 전자상거래
And
서비스
it means that Atomy
제공
personal
시스템 및 방법이라고
platform
하는
business. That is the, and we
태어난
also
근거가
have a
아니고
patent
특허가
as well.
나왔습니다.
And patent came out.
그렇기 때문에 이 퍼스널 플랫폼 비즈니스 시스템은
And for those of
우리가
you
특허권을
who
가지고
are
있다 하는 거예요. 예.
who are
제가
thinking about to have the platform,
발명자로 돼
personal
있습니다.
platform,
또 우리
and if you look at the
아자몰
inventor's
대표이사
name, there's
한경수
written
대표하고
in
저하고
박한길 president and
공동
Han Kyung-soo,
개발자로
which is
되어
the
있습니다.
Ajamol CEO.
이,
Most of you know him, right?
퍼스널 플랫폼에 관한
And
기본적인
this personal platform,
것은 제 박사학위 논문
fundamentally,
안에 그
I
내용이
wrote it on
들어가
my
있습니다. 그래서 그
doctor's
박사
degree
논문을
thesis
이론적인
and the
박사
research
논문을
paper as
기반으로
well.
해서
And
우리
based on
한경수
that, we
대표가 기술적인
have the
부분으로
Atomy
풀어냈고
personal platform business, and
이론과
Han Kyung-soo
기술이,
CEO
그러니까 실제 실현
approached that
가능하도록
research paper,
실현시키는
which is my research
이것이
paper and
특허로
thesis,
해서
and
제
he
특허증이 나왔다 하는 것입니다.
took all the technology
그러면은
aspects,
많은 분들이
and
이런
now
얘기를
we have the
합니다.
patent.
아니 뭐 다단계
A lot of
회사가
people say
온라인으로
this.
하는 거
Network marketing
애터미만 하는 게
companies
아니지 않느냐?
and
이렇게 얘기를
Atomy is not the only
합니다.
company that is doing
그런데
this.
분명하게 차이 나는 것이 있다 하는 것입니다.
And there is
그것이 어떤
only
것이냐면은
thing
바로 이거예요.
that is between us and
어떤
other
네트워크 마케팅 회사도
companies. There is no other company in this
활용되지 않는
industry.
또 지금
They're not
인터넷
competing
플랫폼
against the
비즈니스를 하고
internet
있는
platform
그런,
business
포털
and
플랫폼이나
discount
또
store,
인터넷 쇼핑몰,
internet
TV
shopping mall, TV
여기하고
home shopping,
경쟁해서 이길 수
and
있는
department store.
품질과 가격을 가지고
They do
있는
not
네트워크
have the
마케팅
absolute
회사가
quality
없다는
and
거예요.
price.
이런 포털 플랫폼
And
회사들을
all
품질과
these
가격으로
total
이기지 못한다고
platform
하면은
companies
흉내낸다고
don't
해서
have the absolute
퍼스널
quality and
플랫폼
price,
비즈니스가 성공할 수 있는 게
and
아니다 하는
they
거예요.
don't have chances
애터미는
to win,
처음부터
and they don't have
절대
chances,
가격.
opportunities
그래서 우리의
to
경쟁자는
be a leader in the market.
우리와 같은
But for
네트워크 마케팅
Atomy,
회사나 방문 판매 회사가 아니고
and
우리는
we
처음부터
are a
할인
platform
매장과
business.
TV
In the
홈쇼핑과
beginning,
이런
we are
포털
competing with
플랫폼,
discount store,
인터넷 쇼핑몰과
internet
품질과
shopping
가격으로
mall,
경쟁을 해서
department
당당히
store,
이기는 회사라고
and we
우리는
were rewriting
외쳐왔습니다. 그리고
even
그것이
10 years
실현이
ago.
됐다 하는 것입니다. 저는 미래
And
사회
I'm here to say
이
that
분배의 격차
near future,
그래서 이
the
플랫폼을
gap
가지고
between the
있는
rich
그
and the
몇몇
poor
사람들, 그 사람들에게
will be
모든
bigger, but
누가
at the same
밑에서
time, I
그야말로
want to give this platform, I
0.001%의 사람들만
want to
부자로
provide
살고 99.99%의
these type of
사람들이
opportunities
가난해지는
to
브레이크아웃
many
아리아트가
people.
되는 그랬을 때는 이
When that happens,
0.001%에 속한
a lot of
사람들도
people
행복하지가
are going to
않다는
be
거예요. 그
not happy.
사람들은 아마
And for those of you,
함장을
I'm talking
엄청나게
to
먹고
you
살아야
is that
되고
you
방범
need
시스템을
this
엄청나게 갖춰야
platform.
돼요. 아마 외출을 할 때는 경호 차량이
And a lot of
뒤따라
people
다녀야 되고
are going
그들이 타고
to
다니는
go
차는
through a
방탄차가
chaotic
돼야 되고.
situation because
그런 삶이 행복한
the gap
삶이겠냐
between rich
이거예요.
and poor
주변에는
is going to be
다 가난한
very,
사람들밖에 없는데 몇몇 사람들만 부자로 산다고
very
해서
controversial
그 사람들이
and one of the
행복하겠는가?
biggest
행복할
issues.
수가 없다. 그래서 이 플랫폼을
And that's why I
나만 가질
made
것이 아니고
this platform
많은 대중들에게
with
나눠야
Han
된다.
Kyung-soo, CEO of
그래서
Ajamol,
애터미는 이 퍼스널 플랫폼을
and
이제
Atomy came out
대중들이
with
모두가
this personal
소유할 수
platform.
있도록 지금 시스템을
And
갖춘 그런
anyone
회사다 하는 것입니다.
can have this personal
여러분들이
platform.
이 퍼스널
And if
플랫폼이라는
you understand
개념만
this
정확하게
personal
머리에
platform
집어넣는다고 하면은
notion
정말 이 비전으로
and the
인해서
concept
가슴이
and
뛸 거예요.
with this vision
주변에
that you
이거를
have,
모르는 사람들에게는
and-
안타까워서 이거를 해야
and
된다.
you will
이거 안
keep
하면은
believing
브레카리아트가
this,
되고 다
and-
죽는다. 알릴 수밖에
and
없는
please
그런
keep
상황이
delivering
되리라고
this platform.
생각을 합니다. 자, 이 퍼스널
And
플랫폼을
APP
이제 어떻게 장식을 할
means
건지
that
하는 거.
how
진짜
should we
퍼스널
decorate?
플랫폼을 제대로 만드는
And I will
것이 중요하다
tell
하는
you
것입니다.
how to decorate.
그래서 애터미
APP.
쇼핑몰 앞에
And in front of
여러분들의
APP
개인
shopping mall,
웹페이지가 따로 들어갑니다.
and you will have
그래서
your
그야말로
own
퍼스널
web
플랫폼이
page.
되는 거예요.
So this is the meaning of personal platform.
애터미 도메인만 가지고 들어오는
And
것이
Atomy
아니고
domain
여러분
is not
개인
enough.
도메인으로 들어도
An individual
있어요.
domain is very important.
들어갔더니 그야말로
When you
거기에
register
개인
and when you
사진들도
join,
들어있고 개인
you
모임이에요,
have
개인.
individual
자, 우리 이제
photos
김연숙,
and
임페리얼
other things. For
마스터를
example, you
예를
can see
들어서
Kim Yeon-soo, Imperial Master.
도메인을 저기에 이제 그
You can see the domain.
애터미로 치고
And
거기에
that is the
슬러시하고 김연숙을
domain
치면은
is
김연숙
Atomy.
쪽으로 들어갑니다.
And if you search
그런데
Kim Yeon-soo,
그렇게 하지 않고 이렇게 할
then
수도
you
있어요.
can see the
여러분들이
personal
개인 도메인을
website.
낼 수도 있어요.
You can see on the right.
그야말로 www.김연숙.com을 만들 수 있어요.
And it is possible
김연숙.kr을 만들
to
수
make
있어요.
your own website. For
그래서
example,
내 개인
kimyeonsu.com
그런데 물론
or
그 도메인을
david.com.
등록하면은 얼마의
can see
1년에
here,
얼마씩 도메인 관리 비용을
and you
내야
have to
되는,
pay for the
것은
personal
있습니다.
domain
그게 몇 만 원은
cost.
안 돼요.
And
그래서
it's
어느 정도 성공한 리더들은
$10 or $20.
그야말로 뭐,
You can see here on the screen, for example, 박정수.com, 김성일.com, 이더구, and 김연숙.com. And through that link,
그 개인 쇼핑몰로
it goes to your personal
들어갈 수 있도록
shopping mall.
이렇게 시스템을 구축을 하는 것입니다. 물론 개인 도메인 관리하기
And also,
그러면은 이제
A lot of people don't want to manage the personal domain
비즈니스 슬래시하고 개인 이름
and the personal name as well.
개인 쇼핑몰로
Then you go inside of the personal shopping mall, and as you can see on the screen, that Atomy's website, and you can see both sides and personal mall as well.
그래서 자기의 어떤 개인 사진도 넣을 수 있고 개인
And
동영상도
personal
넣을 수 있고
pictures,
가족 사진도
personal
넣을 수 있고
videos,
개인이 뭐
family
사업할 거,
photos,
여행하는 거
and
전부
others,
개인적인 걸로 넣을 수가 있어요.
other
그래서
stuff.
그 이제
You can put
모델,
whatever you
그
want.
임페리-
You can
이제,
be a model.
지금 김연숙
And
임페리얼
Kim Yeon-suk,
이렇게
Imperial
모델로
Master,
지금,
and you can
만들고
see as a model.
있습니다. 그런데 이제 우리 뭐
She looks
상위
very pretty.
리더들은 회사에서 도움을 줘서 그걸
And all the
만들도록,
leaders
지금 하려고 하는데
in
사실
Atomy,
젊은이들은
and they're trying to do it today.
그래서 그냥 이제 사진 올리는 거
And
이렇게
for the
업로드하는 거
millennials
이런
and
거
for those of
젊은이들은,
you who know
이,
how to do this,
우리가
how
소스를
to
가지기
decorate
때문에 얼마든지
this
그걸 할
type
수
of
있도록,
website and
그냥
design,
이렇게 이메일 보내고
for example,
카톡에다가
sending
이렇게
emails
뭐,
and
카카오 스토리에 뭐
use your
로드
messenger.
시키고 인스타그램 할 수 있을 정도만 되면은 다 할 수 있도록
you post
이렇게
your pictures
시스템을
and
구축을
videos.
해놓는다
And
하는
there's a
것입니다.
system that
그래서
everybody needs.
이제 이 자기 개인
And personal
사생활에
platform
관한
is
그런
very
부분이
important.
있고, 그래서 특히
And
이것은
upload
앞으로
about
뭐를
your
보냐면은 미래의
Personal
젊은이들이
pictures.
뭔가 시작을 했는데
And
내가 뭐 이런 이제
for people
다단계 사업,
near
마케팅
future.
사업 시작했다.
And
명함 주면서
there are some
그렇게
ways. This is the
말하는
one of the
것이
ways
좀
and
어렵다고
effective
하면은,
ways to
내가, 퍼스널
promote your
플랫폼을 하나
business,
만들었다.
advertise your
플랫폼 비즈니스를
business,
시작을 했다.
and
그래서 명함을 줬어요. 그 명함에
you can say
도메인이
and
적혀 있는
deliver
겁니다.
this
그걸
domain.
친구가 치고 들어갔더니
And your
진짜
friend can
개인
type
몰이
it,
뜨는 거예요.
and your
그리고
personal
거기에다가
mall
이제,
pops up.
이 퍼스널 플랫폼
And
소파 부분이 있습니다.
you can
그거는
have a couch.
거기에다가 이제 자기가 추천하는
And
상품들도
some of the
쇼핑몰에서
products that you
가지고
recommend
와서
and
전부 다
suggest,
이렇게 실어 놓을
that's going
수가
to be
있다
on
하는
the
것입니다.
couch.
그래서 요게 이제
Couch
지금
means
완성이
the
되면은
display.
여러분들에게 공개를
And
해서
that is
여러분들도 다 활용할
has a
수
pattern,
있도록
and
이렇게
anyone
해드린다 하는
can
것입니다.
access
그래서
to
진정으로
use this
지금
platform.
이제 앞으로 온라인 세상이
from now on,
또이
word is going to change more and more.
우리 개인들이
And
플랫폼
each
오너로서
individual
살아갈 수
has to
있도록
become
그걸
the
이제
platform owner.
PPO라고 이렇게
It's called the
명명을 했습니다.
PPO,
그래서 애터미
Atomy Business
애터미 퍼스널 플랫폼 오너로서
Platform
살아갈
owner.
수 있도록 이렇게
That is a very
하겠다
important
하는
key.
것입니다. 그런 부분들이 이제 우리가 이제
And
가상 XR, Extended Reality
and
하고
extended
이제
reality
되고 이런 것들이 쭉 됩니다.
with the
그리고
PPO,
여러분들 거기에서
we're going
이제
to
주문을
mix
할
those
때도
two,
뭐막 이렇게
and we'll
숫자
have
가지고 하는 것이 아니고 음성
collaborative.
인식으로 주문을 할 수 있도록. 그래서 예를 들면은 뭐 해모임
And you can
장바구니
order
담아줘.
on
그러면은
internet platform. For example, you order 해모힘 and one set of 해모힘 and you can put it and you can order as well. And for example, you can order shampoo and the voice recognition function is going to be very useful. And on top of that, for example, for products for infants. Infant products, there are many categories. For example, there are some of the things that recommended items, suggested items. The AI function will suggest every single one of them. And Atomy Shopping Mall, Azamall Shopping Mall, and you don't have to do that. You have to use the voice recognition function, and you can see all the other products. We have the AI system.
지금 준비를 하고 있습니다. 그래서 그야말로
And based on the big data, and we will accumulate point value, and you will become the owner and for the world. And this is the board system. And it's important for you to start faster. For example, you have to start today. And that's the direction where Atomy is going. And please be aware of this information. And I hope that your vision will become bigger every single day. And today, you wrote your life scenario, and Success Academy talks about many lectures and aspects of compensation plan, and it's practice to your dream. And if you dream it vividly, it will definitely come true. That's some of the things that we talk about when we write life scenario. And the reason why we dream is that we have loved ones. Some people say that they don't have a dream because they don't know what to do. Dreaming is the number one priority and has to be your number one priority. For all the leaders, I want to say that when you write and update your life scenarios and your partners write life scenarios, you have to keep checking with your partners that if they update and renew the life story. I want to talk about courage. When you don't have nothing, when you feel helplessness, when you don't have vision, you don't know who you want to be. But you have to dream. You have to have courage. What is a real courage? It doesn't matter what kind of circumstance you're going through. You have loved ones, and you love yourself, and you have to have courage and keep believing that it's possible for you to live in well-balanced life. That is the real courage. It didn't happen yet. When you keep believing, then it will happen. For example, the percentage for you to be successful is so low that let's say is 1%. Even though you have 1% to be successful and 99% failure, you have to keep believing. For example, 0.1%. How does that sound? Let's say in the beginning of Atomy business, no one knew that Atomy was going to be this big. And a lot of leaders came out and they were made in Atomy business. let's say 1% of people who believe in this
되지
atomy
않을 수 있는
business,
환경이
and they're still
주변에
here.
너무 많았어요. 그 이유를 따지자고 하면 이래서 안 돼요.
And there are
돈이
many
없어서 안 돼요.
reasons. For example, we don't
돈이
have
없으니까
enough money.
사무실이 없어서 안
We don't have an office. We don't
돈이
have a
없으니까
banner.
좋은
We don't
제품을
have
사올 수가 없고
Many products.
사무실에 직원이 없으니까 일을 제대로
And we don't
할 수가
have enough employees.
뭐 하나 제대로 돼 있는 게 없었어요.
And we didn't have anything.
될 가능성은 너무나 적었어요.
And the percentage of potentiality was very low.
된다고 외쳤어요.
But
이 회사가
for
글로벌로 나갈
me,
거다.
I kept on believing myself. I was telling everyone that it is possible.
제가 익산에서 첫 강의를 할 때
For
익산에서
example, my first
개인
success academy
사업소득자로서
in Iksan,
저기 세금을 제일 많이
and
내는
I paid
사람이 바로 이 자리에서
a lot
나올
of
거다.
tax when I was doing
아니
the network marketing business, and I won one of my leaders to do the same thing again. And
뭐 여러 가지
we have a lot of
고소득을 누리는 뭐
and we have a lot of engineers
변호사
and
다 있는데
accountants, lawyers, doctors today.
그야말로 인생을 실패한 그
Because
망한 오리
atomy
탕집에
creates
모여
residual
있는
income.
사람들은 뭐 대리운전 하다가 온 사람 진짜
And if
이것도
you look at
저것도
the
없이
imperial
아무것도
masters
못하고 있는
and
그런
leaders of
사람들만
today's
모아놓은 그
atomy,
자리에서 여기서
some of them
익산에서
didn't go to
제일
good school,
세금 많이 내는 사람이
and
여기서
some of
나올
them
거라고 얘기를 했어요.
didn't have special
그런데 지금
ability.
나왔어요. 아마 우리 박정수 임페리얼이
And Park Jong-soo
익산에서
Imperial
가장
in
개인
Iksan, and
소득으로서는
she
가장
paid
많은
the most
세금을 내는
tax
사람으로 저는 알고 있습니다.
and
그래서
personal
정말
tax.
말도 안 되는
And she
일들이
paid a lot of tax
실제로 이루어졌는데
last year and a year
거기에
before.
대해서 제가 그 얘기를 할 때 막 100%
And every
확신이
time I
있어가지고
said
얘기를 했느냐?
that
그렇지
it is
않아요.
possible 10 years
저도
ago,
그것이 될 수 있는
and people
가능성은
didn't believe that.
1% 0.1%밖에
For example,
안
1%
된다.
and 0.1%,
90%, 99%가
and
된다는 걸 저도
90%,
알고 있었어요.
99%.
그렇기 때문에 그렇게 외치는 거 누구보다도 두려웠어요.
And I had fear.
그렇지만은
I had fear of speaking,
그때 필요했던 것이
and at
용기였어요.
that time,
그래서 용기를 내서
I had to
그것을
have
더
courage.
힘있게
And I
두려움이
kept on
몰려오면
pushing.
몰려올수록
It doesn't matter if I had
힘있게 외쳤던 거예요.
fear, if I was afraid.
딱 어떤 심정이었냐면은 정말
I'll tell you how I
안에,
felt.
동굴 안에
At
갇힌
that time,
그런 심정이었어요.
I felt
온
I was
사방을
alone.
둘러봐도
I
어둠밖에
was in
없어요.
a cave. You can
바닥에는
see
돌뿌리밖에
the
없어요.
darkness.
한 발을 뛰려고
And
하면은
there is a
한 발 뛰는 것
light
자체도
every
힘들어요.
time I walk.
어둡고 이런
And every time I take a step, even though I wanted to quit, the light is becoming bigger and bigger.
정말 바늘 것 같은 가느다란 불빛이 보이는
And
거예요.
the light is
그
becoming
불빛, 그
bigger and bigger.
불빛이
And
적은
that
거지만
became
그
an
불빛을
exit.
향해서 가야 되는 거예요. 주변에는 어둠이 널려
And I
있지만
know that
어둠이
light
떠나가지고
is-
주저앉으면 안 되는 거예요.
You can barely
그
see the
적은
light.
불빛을 향해서 한 발, 두 발 옮기는 거예요.
And you have to keep
걸림돌에 무릎이
going.
깨지더라도
It doesn't matter how many times you fall, you have to
저는 그때
keep
우리
going.
이은상 시인의
At that time, I thought about the poet
조각 심장만
Lee
남거든.
Eun-sang.
부둥켜 안고
It doesn't
가야만
matter
하는 결의가
how many
있다고.
times
그
you
시를
fall.
저 마음속에 수도
And that
없이
poem,
외쳤어요.
I
그래, 내
memorized, and I said to myself every single day.
한 조각 심장만
And
남더라도 저
even
불빛을
though
향해서
I
가야만
fall
된다고.
in the middle of my
나도
journey,
살고 이 가난한
then
사람들도 살 수 있고
I can help
정말
all the
정말
people in the
사람들이
world
살아날
and
수
people
있다고
who are in
저는
need.
그
And I
불빛을
believed
향해서
and
한 발, 한 발
that
갔던
worked.
거예요. 그러자 그 불빛이 조금씩
And the light is becoming bigger
그리고
and
결국에는
bigger. And
동굴 밖으로 나오게 되고
I exited the cave. I came out from the cave,
광명의 천지를
and everything
만나게 된다 하는 것입니다.
was changed.
혹시 여기
And for those of you who face
오늘
difficult
절망의
times,
동굴에 가려 있다고 하면
and if you don't see any light,
주저앉지 말고
find your light
이 애텀이라고
and you have to keep going with
이 어둠을
atomy
벗어날 수
system.
있는 적은 불빛을 향해서 힘들고
And
어렵더라도
even though
용기를
it's
내서
difficult, you
한
have to
발짝,
keep going.
한 발짝 가야만 된다.
You have to keep
겁니다.
going. Believe in
여러분,
atomy.
용기는 두려움을 느끼지 못하는 것이 용기가 아닙니다.
The real courage is to have courage even though when you have fear and you face difficulties.
아프더라도 가야만 되는 거예요.
And it doesn't matter what kind of situation that you're in, you have to keep going. And
정말 사랑하는 사람들을 위해서
for those of you who are listening to this, and please have courage
인생 시나리오를
and life
분명하게
scenario.
적으시기 바랍니다.
Life scenario.
그래서 애텀이라는
Please
불빛을
write
향해서
life scenario.
모두 나아갑시다.
Thank you, and God bless you. Happy New Year.
네, 회장님의 그 외침이 여러분들의
Thank you.
마음속에
That was
아마
one of the greatest
강렬하게
speech
간절하게
that I ever
남아있을 거라고
seen and
생각합니다.
heard. It was very impressive.